In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Canva website to an existing domain in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward and incredibly useful if you've created a website on Canva and are looking to give it a unique and professional touch by associating it with your own domain. Let's dive right in and walk through these steps together. First, you'll need to open your Canva project for your website. Once you have it ready, look towards the top right corner of your dashboard where you should see a button labeled Publish Website. Clicking on this will lead you to a new section dedicated to publishing settings, which is essential in making your website live and viewable on the internet. Next, in the publishing section that opens, direct your attention to the option that says Use a Custom Domain. This is important because it allows you to link your existing domain with the website you've creatively designed on Canva. Click on Use a Custom Domain, and you'll be led to a further series of steps where you can integrate your domain. Once you've initiated the process of connecting a custom domain, you'll be presented with a Continue button. It might seem like an extra click, but it's vital to proceed in the right direction, so go ahead and click Continue. This will prompt you to enter your domain details. Here you'll have to paste your domain name into the field provided. Make sure you have it copied exactly from your registrar or wherever your domain is hosted. Accuracy is key, as typos or mistakes can lead to complications further down the line. Once you've pasted your domain name, take a moment to double check it, ensuring everything is correct and that there are no discrepancies. After carefully adding your domain name, you'll notice another Continue button. Click on it to proceed to the next part of the setup. At this stage, Canva might provide you with additional instructions or a verification process that involves adjusting DNS settings on your domain provider's site. Be sure to follow those instructions carefully to ensure your domain connects successfully with your Canva website. Remember, the domain linking process may not be instantaneous and can take up to 48 hours to propagate fully. Meanwhile, you can continue to customize your Canva site and prepare it to go live. If you encounter any problems, it's a good idea to consult Canva's support or your domain registrar's help resources, as they can provide specific guidance tailored to their platforms. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully connected your Canva website to your existing domain. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial helped you achieve a seamless website connection with your domain. Happy designing!